Huwag kalimutang I-like, I-share, pindutin ang notification button at mag-subscribe bago magsimula ang video. Welcome friends, to a tale that's as intriguing as it is enchanting. Picture this, the serene beaches of the Philippines, suddenly teeming with millions of sardines, a spectacle so unusual that it leaves spectators in awe. But what could cause such a phenomenon? Is it a natural miracle or a foreboding omen? Let's dive into this fascinating story and explore its many layers. Handa na ba kayong malaman kung ano ang nangyari? Sa isang hindi pangkaraniwang pangyayari, milyon-milyong isda ang bumaba sa MGR Beach sa Pilipinas. In an occurrence as bewildering as it is fascinating, millions of sardines carpeted the beaches of a serene island in the Philippines. This spectacle was not only a sight to behold, it was also a phenomenon that left the scientific community scratching their heads. The event took place 48 hours before a significant earthquake shook the nearby region. The timing of these two events, the beaching of the sardines and the earthquake, was close enough to raise eyebrows. Could there be a connection? Well, the answer remains as elusive as the flight of the sardines themselves. Let's dive a little deeper into the details. The sardines, known for their schooling behavior and synchronized movements, are a common sight in the waters of the Philippines. But to see them in such vast numbers on the beach, well, that's a different story. The beaches were blanketed in a silver sheen, a stunning sight that was both awe-inspiring and somewhat eerie. The location, a tranquil island in the Philippines, was transformed overnight, from a peaceful coastal paradise to a stage set for one of nature's most intriguing dramas. The local community was left in a state of wonder as the usually bustling underwater world found itself displaced onto their sandy shores. As we try to comprehend this phenomenon, we must keep in mind that the connection between the mass beaching of these sardines and the earthquake that followed remains unclear. It's a puzzle that scientists are still trying to piece together. Ngunit, ang tanong ay, ito ba ay isang trahedya o isang himala? Is this a tragedy or a miracle? The question hangs in the air, much like the mystery of the sardines themselves. May iba't ibang teorya at haka-haka tungkol sa pangyayaring ito. Let's dive into some of these theories and speculations surrounding this extraordinary event. Many people, especially those with a keen eye on the natural world, see this mass beaching of sardines as a potential sign of an impending natural disaster. They draw parallels to similar incidents that have occurred in the past, where an unusual animal behavior was followed by a significant natural event. Some even point to the major earthquake that occurred nearby just 48 hours after the sardines beached themselves on the island. On the other hand, there are those who consider this occurrence as somewhat of a miracle or a blessing. They argue that nature works in mysterious ways, and sometimes what seems unusual or out of place might just be part of a larger, unseen pattern. To them, the sight of millions of sardines covering the beach is not a warning, but a spectacle, a display of nature's unpredictability and grandeur. Yet others believe this could be a result of environmental changes potentially linked to climate change or other human-induced factors. They argue that such mass strandings could be a cry for help from our marine life, a stark reminder of our responsibility towards our environment. Anuman ang dahilan, ang mahalaga ay matuto tayong magpahalaga at pangalagaan ang ating kalikasan. Regardless of the theory one subscribes to, the important takeaway is our need to appreciate and protect our natural world. Sa kabuuan, ang pangyayaring ito ay nagpapakita ang kahanga-hangang katangian ng kalikasan. Millions of fish descending on the beaches of the Philippines is an event that has left us in awe, capturing the unpredictable and fascinating nature of our world. It's a spectacle that has triggered a wave of theories and speculations. Some believe this to be a harbinger of an impending natural disaster, while others see it as a natural anomaly. Theories aside, this incident serves as a stark reminder of the power and mystery of nature. It underscores the importance of respecting and preserving our natural world, for it is a delicate balance that we are a part of. As we marvel at the sight of millions of fish gracing the shores, let us remember that we share this planet with them. They are a part of our story as much as we are a part of theirs. But perhaps the most important takeaway from this phenomenon is the dialogue it has sparked. It has made us question, wonder, and reflect. It has made us more aware of our environment and our place in it. And isn't that what nature is all about? It's a constant source of discovery, learning, and wonder. Ano sa palagay ninyo? Ito ba ay isang trahedya o isang himala? Ipalam sa amin sa comment section. Salamat sa panonood. Hanggang sa muli.